Hey guys, welcome back. With all the extra cooking I've been doing lately, my spice cabinet has taken a tremendous hit. So come along as I clean and organize this beloved space in my kitchen. I think I have spices for anything that you could possibly want to season.
Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
There are so many duplicates in this cabinet, it's crazy.
Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation.
Everything is all out, so now it's time to get to cleaning.
Why do I need to be good all the time?
And as always, I'll have all products used listed in the description box below.
Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look.
The soft scrub cleanser always does a phenomenal job in cleaning.
But what about it? Why do I need to be good?
If you're not using microfiber cloths, you need to.
His finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late.
Now comes the fun part, tackling the clutter and getting everything organized.
All the time. No drama, yeah.
I found these spice containers on Amazon along with the labels, so I washed them and I'm gonna try to transfer as much of the spices into these smaller containers.
No drama, yeah, yeah. Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time?
I wish that snapping my fingers to get stuff done worked in real life. Now it's time to place all the spices back, and I'm arranging them in a manner that does not obstruct the door. I place all the overflow spices and the bigger containers on the lower shelf, and I'll place the smaller ones on the top shelf that I use every day.
He got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
I love the idea of this built-in Lazy Susan shelf because it just makes accessing the spices a lot easier. There goes the adobo. I must be Caribbean.
No drama, yeah. No drama, no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
The wooden container that I placed on the shelf is what I use to put my salt in. It just makes accessing it a lot easier.
No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. No drama.
Doesn't it look awesome, guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!